This is our second annual investment summit, where we actually bring three managers from three continents, in fact, here to Mauritius. Our audience is an audience of qualified investors, pension funds, regulated financial intermediaries, as well as asset gatherers.
For us, it's not about buying cheap and selling high. Essentially, it's about identifying businesses which are going to increase their economic value, and we remain as patient long-term investors in such businesses so that in the fullness of time, we are able to capture the market value accretion that these businesses undergo. UTI, as the oldest asset manager, identifying such businesses and patiently staying invested in them, which would lead to wealth creation for its investors in India and also globally.
Our aim today was to present the concept through a more strategic lens, and not just a diversified portfolio allocated across assets, but really what's driving it underneath and whether it's aligned with today's realities. So the key message is about long-term outcomes, which are driven by what a portfolio looks like on paper, but what about the engines powering it under different markets, business cycles.
We've been introducing a fund, the Avedis US Equity Fund, and that fund is something different that you can see in the market, and it allows investors to be exposed to the S&P 500 index whilst having signals on where to buy or where to sell that S&P 500. So great opportunity to speak today. Lots of persons, lots of people, and it's always nice to see that in Mauritius you have such a beautiful and amazing event.
Our strong belief is how can you curate the right speakers to the right audience? So that bridge between the two is actually the main strength we put in Finwise.